The Jamaica Football Federation today broke ground for the construction of the country's first full-length artificial turf, which is expected to be finished by year-end.
Tuesday's groundbreaking at the Captain Harris Burrell Center of Excellence was an historic one, as Jamaica will own its first full-length artificial turf. The project is expected to take 99 days for completion and comes at no cost to the JFF.
In fact, this contractual arrangement will cost $600,000 US. But like I've said, it's a contract. The JFF has nothing to do with it. It's an arrangement exclusively between FIFA and this company out of Costa Rica.
But why invest in an artificial surface?
Well, artificial surface is good in the sense that the maintenance is very low. And with drought situation in Jamaica, the artificial surface will stand up. But it still needs some maintenance, but not as much as the natural grass. So the artificial surface is good. And FIFA is going along that way over the years, because it was said that FIFA only want natural grass. But if they say that the artificial surface is good, we should practice on it.
And National Women's Assistant Coach Andrew Price feels this will help in preparing teams for games which will be played on a similar surface.
Definitely not. I mean, it's something that is being used globally, and I think it will benefit us. A lot of the times that we are going to countries who have artificial turf, we have nowhere to prepare for it properly because we don't have a surface of such in the country. So this will assist us significantly in preparing for those games that we have to go and play on artificial surfaces in the region, because a lot of the teams in the region are now going the route of artificial surfaces.
Artificial turf is a surface of synthetic fibers made to look like natural grass. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.